Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and like this video. I'm going to show you guys on how I did these box braids, and I hope you try to do it yourself also. Keep watching.
Coming to America, from Rovio to Jersey, from New York to Miami, from Lagos to Vegas, and America.
The hair that I use this braiding hair. It does come in 3 bundles in a pack, and they're already pre-stretched, and sometimes they're already pre-washed, so it's pretty good. I recommend this hair all the time. They're really nice. And also you will need edge control to make the hair just look neat. I am using my edge control. This is the Henricka Beauty edge control. It is vegan. I'll put the link below and where to buy it. And I've already started doing some braids already in the back, so you can see it's already braided. I'm just gonna show you how I did the rest. It's gonna be a very simple and quick video, just step by step. And first, for you to braid, you make sure you have a good part. The part must be very, very straight. This kind of also determines how the hair is gonna look. If the part is straight, then your hair is gonna be very, very neat. So take time to part the hair straight. And also, you want to actually detangle the hair. Grab the hair on the bottom so it's not painful for your customer. And I use the edge control already. This is just to make the hair straight, to get all of the, just make everything goes together in the braids. And again, I'm using my edge control. I'll put the link below and where to buy this beautiful. I take one of the bundle hair, separate it into 2, okay? And then also the other half and separate it into 2 again. So one of the bundle hair is going to make me 4 braids. Get it? 4. Yeah, and I'm going to start braiding the hair. I'm going to just take the braiding hair, trying to pass it in between the natural hair to start your braiding process. Just like I'm doing here. And try not to braid the hair very tight, because it's not really cute to do tight braids. It's going to make your customer have headaches. So I do 1-2 braids, and then I'm going to twist it over and then start the braiding, just like that. As you can see, it's not very tight in the customer hair. Even when I'm pulling it, she's not, and she's extremely tender-headed, so try not to braid tight. Or you can always make your customer hold the hair. So I'm doing the left, like right there, just like that. That's how you just do it. You braid it however you think you know how to braid. You don't have to be a pro in one day. It does take time, so just like that. That's how you do it. And then also, this is pretty much what it look like. Here, as you can see, is sizable. This is big box braid. You can actually call this large, not extra large, but it's large box braids. And I'm pulling it, and as you can see, it's not tight. The root is like very loose, but it's also very neat. So you don't have to braid tight for it to be neat. That's the point here I'm trying to show on this. And then she's not feeling nothing. So I'm going to do the exact same thing again. I've already put the edge control in there, and I'm just going to hold the hair and re-braid it the same way I did before. So you're doing left over right method. So you hold the hair with your right hand, and then you just keep doing 1, 2, 3 braids, and then you're going to flip it over. Like right now, I'm about to flip it over. So 3 times and flip it over. And you just keep going. And this part, because it's in the front, you can let your customer actually hold the hair. If it is starting to pull her hair, she can hold the braiding hair, and she can hold it so that way it's not pulling her. But she's fine, so that's why she's not holding it right now. So there you go. This is how we just keep doing it. I will speed up the process so that way we can just keep going to the next step. As you can see, I am all done. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my video and hit the notification bell. And I hope that you try to do this video yourself at home and practice do make perfect. So keep trying over and over again. You will become a pro. Trust me, you will be. And then don't forget to check out my other videos on how to do different styles. And also I have a cooking videos that you can also watch how to make different food. And yeah, I hope I see you next time. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.